Welcome to my channel where I embark on exciting journeys to discover the hidden gems of the world. Today I will be diving into the captivating world of urban sketching. Join me as I explore the beauty of urban sketching and unveil the magic it brings to our everyday surroundings. Urban sketching is an art form that captures the soul of a city through sketching. It's all about observing and documenting the world around us in real time. To truly appreciate the beauty of urban sketching, we must first understand the artist's process. Urban sketching encourages us to slow down, observe, and immerse ourselves in the present moment. It's a way to document the world with a personal touch. Urban sketching offers endless possibilities, whether it's capturing architectural marvels, likely street scenes, or landscapes. Each sketch tells a unique story. Urban sketching is a form of creative expression that brings communities together. It's amazing to see how people connect through shared appreciation for their city's beauty. Watching a sketch come to life is truly mesmerizing. The strokes, the lines, the colors blend together. It's just incredible, revealing the artist's interpretation of the world. It has transcended physical boundaries. Artists from around the globe can now connect, inspire, and appreciate one another's work in a virtual space. Urban sketching has gained recognition as a legitimate art form. It's not just about sketching themselves, but also the emotions and the stories they convey. As we conclude our journey through the beauty of urban sketching, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this remarkable art form. Remember, keep creating and don't stop.